Want to make money online with AI? In this video, I'll show you 5 AI-powered side hustles that can generate up to $10,000 a month. The best part? No coding skills are required. Let's dive in. Side hustle number 1. Selling AI-generated content. Businesses are paying top dollar for high-quality blogs, ad copy, and ebooks. AI writing tools like Jasper AI, ChatGPT, and Copy.ai can generate content in seconds. Here's how to start. 1. Use Jasper AI for blog articles, email copy, and social media posts. 2. Offer services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. 3. Write an AI-generated ebook and sell it on Amazon Kindle or Gumroad. Many freelancers are making thousands of dollars monthly using AI-powered content. Will you be next? Side hustle number 2. AI-powered video creation. AI tools make video creation easy, even without appearing on camera. Here's how. 1. Use Pictory AI or Synthesia to generate AI-voiced video content. 2. Edit videos fast with Runway ML. 3. Monetize via YouTube AdSense, affiliate marketing, or selling video services. AI can automate the entire video production process, making this a perfect passive income stream. Side hustle number 3. AI-generated art and design. Graphic design is in high demand, and AI makes it simple. Here's how you can profit. 1. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique AI-generated artwork. 2. Sell designs on Etsy, Redbubble, or print-on-demand platforms. 3. Offer logo and branding services on Fiverr or Upwork. AI-generated art is reshaping the design industry. Are you ready to cash in? Side hustle number 4. Automating businesses with AI bots. Businesses need automation, and AI can help. Here's how to make money. 1. Use Zapier or Make, Integromat, to automate tasks for businesses. 2. Offer chatbot automation services with OpenAI's API. 3. Set up AI-powered email marketing campaigns. By saving companies time and money, AI automation can turn into a high-paying business. Side hustle number 5. AI-powered coding and website building. Even if you don't code, AI can help you build websites. Here's how. 1. Use GitHub Copilot or Codium for AI-assisted coding. 2. Build AI-generated websites with durable AI. 3. Sell web automation and AI-driven coding services to businesses. AI-assisted developers are earning 6 figures. Why not you? Closing and call to action. Which AI side hustle are you starting? Drop a comment below. If you want step-by-step tutorials on any of these, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI business ideas.